Here's how to change your Letterjoy mailing address in 5 easy steps. First, visit account.letterjoy.co to request a login code, and use that login code to log into your Letterjoy account. Your login code will be emailed to the email you used to purchase your letters. Next, visit letterjoy.co/manage to see a list of your Letterjoy memberships. This page includes both one-time and recurring Letterjoy memberships. Select the membership you'd like to make changes to from the list, then click Manage. On the membership page, click the Edit button next to your mailing address. Finally, fill out the mailing address form with the changes you'd like to make, and then click Update Address to send the changes to our system. Please note that this form only works for US subscribers. For international subscribers, please contact Letterjoy support to change your address. Once you click Update Address, you're all set. Letters already in production will be mailed to the old address, but all future letters will be mailed to the new address. Thank you for being a Letterjoy customer.